We're still at the Willow, and we're looking at what is supposed to be a studio. Feels more like a one bedroom to me. It's got the separated bed. We already checked that out on a video. But then now we're looking at the kitchen. Let's see the details. This is very cool. Feels very rich, luxurious, substantial. It's got all your appliances, beautiful quartz countertops, fridge, all ready to go. Wow. Gosh, really, really nice. I love even the shelves that are there. This is adorable. It's got everything you need in here. It's got a sofa, gorgeous. This is all new. So you could be in a beautiful place. They're calling this a studio, not even a studio. And let's go see this. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, look at this. Huge balcony. This is probably 12, 13 feet at least down there, so you can fit plenty of stuff in there. Wow. I'm really impressed. They over-delivered on this. This is awesome. Hey, if you like what you see, send me a text. Let me know what your thoughts on it. And if you need help, just in general, finding the perfect apartment in Dallas, there's no better service than our service. It's Uptown 101. You can go to our website, uptown101.com, or you can send me a text. Either way, I'll help you super quick, very responsive. Can't wait to hear from you. And we're talking to you again from the Willow studio. We're about to go see some more one bedroom, actually a one bedroom and I think a two bedroom. Let's go see those now.